What's up, guys? I'm Old Ed Mike. Welcome to my new channel called Wrench City. It's gonna be a little moto vlog. I'm not gonna like post like all the time. Just when I get some new parts for my bike or in my cars or anything. I already have some YouTube channels and all that stuff that take up most of my time, so this is just a little fun side thing. But anyways, here is my Honda Navi. I bought this right when it came out. This is my second bike. I had a Honda Metropolitan before. Pretty much every mod you could think of other than boring out the engine. And as soon as I saw this thing come out, I mean, it's basically a Metropolitan or Ruckus, just looks like a motorcycle and is 110cc, and everything else is the same. So I was like, I gotta have it. So bought it and finally got the first mod here. I've got the Vance Hines exhaust. So, oh, there it is. That's over there. So I'm gonna open that up and we're gonna put it on and we're gonna do a little sound test and stuff. So, all right, let's go. Also, sorry about the mowers. Apparently I picked the best time to do this. All right, and here's the exhaust. It's nice, beautiful, flat black color. You got these very beautiful bolts there that come with it. Those look really hefty. And the bracket, that's pretty much it. And here's the stock chonker. I believe it's fairly quick and easy installation. I'll probably skip over me actually doing it. But there are two 10mm bolts up under here for where it connects to the block. And then you've got these two right here. Let me show you. 1, 2. I believe those look like what, 15s or something. And then this, which looks like a 12 maybe. That holds this. I don't know if I'm gonna have to take this off completely or if it's gonna be sturdy enough on its own. I guess we will find out. So let's go ahead and do that now. Actually, this is a 10 and these are 14s, so my bad. Here's also another important part. If you don't pay attention to the instructions, or if you haven't heard already, this stock gasket right here from the original exhaust, you do have to reuse that on this one, so make sure you don't lose that. All right, so I did have to move it because the mowers got closer to my house, so I drove across the street to this little business over here. And anyways, so here it is. I think I really like the angle on it. I didn't like the hot lap. It was just a little too short. It like came out here and was a little lower. It just looked weird. There was an Amazon exhaust someone had that like it went up like this, and I thought that was like the best looking one. And then they dropped this for $300. So I was like, well, shit, I gotta get that. So it's way louder than it sounds in any other video. So I was thinking about taking off this. I don't know if this is a baffle or not, because these are little outlet bolts, so I don't know if this actually is removable. I'm gonna try it after we do a little sound test here, and I'll drive in this parking lot so you can hear. But all right. Yeah, so overall, I think it's an amazing investment. For $300, I know might seem pricey for a bike that only costs like $1,800. But, you know, compared to spending like $100, $150 on an Amazon exhaust. This is a brand new bike. This is a brand new exhaust, so it feels nice to have something 2022. You know what I mean? It's not too hot to the touch, so I might try to take this off real quick. Let's see. Okay, so I couldn't get this out. I did take off the bolts, but either I'm weak or it's just for looks. I don't know. But like I said, it's pretty loud as it is, and with the fact that if this is removable with this in, I believe everyone I've heard say you don't exactly have to rejet, which is great because I'm lazy right now. However, I do plan on getting intake and rejet kit and all that other kind of crap here, maybe in a couple paychecks or so. But I'd say I highly recommend this. It is kind of loud, so I feel like I haven't, all I did was drive across the street, so I don't know what it's going to be like at screaming at 55, but I think it's good where it's at right now. So I definitely highly recommend it. Check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, so thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you guys later. Old Head Mike signing off.